My name is Brad Boyer. I am a principal engineer on the turbine machinery team, coming from a big corporate environment with hundreds of people working on a single product. We've been able, with just a handful of engineers, to design combustors, turbine machinery, gasifiers, systems, and a test facility to test it all in, and get all of that running within a year or two. That, to me, is just wild, and it speaks to what a dedicated team of highly skilled, talented people can do when they have the vision to do it and the resources and authority to make it happen. You can take a gas turbine that I worked on for 20 years and remove the carbon from it, but you have to build an entire other chemical plant to do so. And those market dynamics of needing baseload power but needing to eliminate carbon emissions mean that a system like Arbor's that inherently has no emissions, like zero, like none, none of the process fluid leaves and goes into the air, means that this is like a unique point in time where there's a driving force to develop something like this. What's coming next is the most exciting, is we'll finally get a chance to put all this together and test it together. Our validation strategy has been intentionally one piece at a time. Test the combustor, make sure it works. Test the turbo compressor, make sure it works. By the middle of next year, we should have everything tested, validated independently, put it all together, and for the first time demonstrate that we can take natural gas and produce CO2 and power in a closed system as we say we can do on paper. After that, the sky's the limit, right? As soon as you've demonstrated that this works, as soon as you have a working prototype, then there's no reason to say no. It's far and away the best solution to this problem. And so at that point, it's just scale. How fast can you design it to be bigger, and how fast can you make it, and how many can you make? It's part of a future vision where humanity has moved beyond we have to burn the earth for power to we can restore the earth and still live here, having made the world a fundamentally better place. And to me, mid-career, having spent 20 years burning natural gas and releasing emissions into the atmosphere, the concept of spending the next 20 years making that whole system irrelevant gives me chills.